Happy holidays, y'all. We are back with another hair video. Guys, so this is a finished look of this unit, guys, from Rpgshowwigs.com. It's been a long time since I've done a review with this company. It is holiday season, so I recommend you guys go ahead and get your hands on one of these units. RPG Show Wig is actually one of my top 5 companies that I really like and I recommend to you guys, simply because these units usually come pretty much prepared. They're kind of like same day install type units. So today's unit was a same day install, very simple. I only use one product, which is the Eben Wonder Lace spray, to install this unit. Now they do have a new technology on the units now, guys. These are the new invisible knots with the real skin scalp wig. So these units are very undetectable, guys. They did upgrade their wig cap, so I really think they did a really good job. I will do a close-up to show you guys how the knots look on this unit. It's very realistic. And when I mean same day install, this unit and all the units you'll get from their website comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all the stuff done to it. Because this one is their new invisible lace, you don't really have to bleach this one. It automatically looks very natural. So I did not touch this unit whatsoever as far as it comes to tweezing it or doing anything with this unit. The only thing that you guys saw me do to this unit was cut some layers into it, curl it, and that's it. Like I said, today's install, I only use one product, and I use a product to install the unit and actually put the hairspray on my hair to actually give you guys more of a defined curl for the look I was going for today. Obviously the unit is 20 inches long, guys. It is the style Selena 006, which is a very nice style. Obviously, you guys can see it's kind of like highlighted mixed with the dark hair. This actually looks very nice. I was a little worried about the dark base color with this kind of like 27 color highlight, but I actually feel like it looks nice. It's an all over highlight look. The 20 inches, obviously you guys saw me cut some light layers. I cut layers in the front just to give me more of a Farrah Fawcett. As you guys can see, it's kind of layered off, so it looks very, very nice, rich, and bouncy. The 20 inches on this unit is excellent, guys. It's a very nice density as well, too. I don't think that this is I'm not sure if this is 200% density, but it is a body wave type of texture, so it holds a very, very nice curl. And you guys can see the unit is absolutely stunning all the way through. And I did go ahead and do baby hairs just at the front right here. I kind of left the sideburns to, you know, by themselves. I didn't really play around with it. And I only used, like I said, the Even Wonder lace to install this one on. And I did that on purpose so you guys can see that it is a very nice invisible lace. So you don't have to use glue. It's going to look natural no matter what. I did on both sides so you guys can see. Very nice natural install. The hair is like, the texture of the hair itself is actually some good quality hair, guys. Curling it wise, I ran my curling iron. You guys know I use this curling iron just about all the time. This is my Hot Tools curling iron. This is the 1/4 inch barrel curling iron. I felt like it did a really good job curling the hair overall. And like I said, as an overall hairspray, I did use the Even Wonder lace just to set everything off. It's actually a good hairspray to install the unit, and also as an overall hairspray to hold the curls. It does an excellent job. I always get the gold one, the black one, which is like this. This is the gold, the Supreme one. I always get the black spray and the Supreme glue as well too. And you guys can see, just absolutely stunning. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. I feel like my layers came out decent. I did the best I could as far as the layering. I try to layer all the way through so you guys can kind of see the hair pull through all the way here through layers. So this is the type of hair I would definitely wear in a curled form, just because I feel like the curl form just looks absolutely stunning. The hair is very easy to manage. You can actually twirl it on this side. Guys, look at how fabulous this looks. You can toss it this way. You can actually go over and toss it this way. And like I said, I did not glue this unit down, so just the spray itself is allowing me to go ahead and play with the hair and toss it around. You guys can actually see the layers more when I toss it that way. You can see like layers right here. And then even like I said, if you don't want to wear the middle part, you can go ahead and just do a flip over method and have the hair come up on both ways. And then obviously, once you bring it back into the middle, it should go back to its original style. So that's one thing I love about this unit or this company. The hair quality as far as curling, this company, the hair probably curls the best out of all the companies that I've literally worked with. Like I said to you guys, this is a top 5 company for me just because I'm somebody that likes a unit that already comes to me pre-styled. All I gotta do is just add my little razzle dazzle to it. I don't have to bleach it. I don't have to tweeze it. I don't have to do anything like that. If you're looking for a high quality unit that's pretty affordable compared to the thousands and thousands of dollars that people be spending on websites, these units come already colored, they already come tweezed, they already come with all the glitz and glam, so you're really getting a good deal. So definitely check out some of their Black Friday deals and their holiday deals, guys. If you guys are interested in purchasing a unit from rpgshowwigs.com, I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code, guys. You already know the deal. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Happy holidays and bye.